So first of all, I want to show you how your document is going to look. So your document is going to have a ton of screens. You can see all of the stuff that is here. Like you go from the login, you go to the sign up, you go to some little onboarding, then you get your feed, the different screens that are on feed. There are different tabs, and the discover page, how it's going to look. So the discover page, how a product when you buy it, all of these pages, So, but enough of this. Let's actually create it, okay? So first of all, let's create a new document. So you go to new document, and obviously we want to put the sizes of the screen. So we want it to be 750 on the width, and on the height we want it to be 1334, and that's the standard iPhone 6 screen. So we want to call it whatever you want to call your app. I'm calling it swanky, and so you have zero bleed. You're not using a profile. You're using a custom size. So this is very important. You might have it like this. So you want to open this and select RGB, which is because everything's going to be on a screen. Your screen resolution should be 72, and the preview mode to default, and be sure that this is disabled. It says align to the pixel grid, and you might be tempted to use this, but I can guarantee you don't want to use this. It's something that actually Illustrator needs to work on, but that's not our problem right now. Let's just not select it. So we have everything ready. Swanky, the name, everything good. Let's go. Okay, and boom. First screen, it's already looking good. I mean, the proportions, everything is so white, it's so pretty. I like this.